today I have the captain here with me to show you the basic fundamentals of jumping rope. So Drew's going to start in a nice starting position with his jump rope, so the rope is behind his ankles here, kind of on his Achilles. His arms are straight out in front of him and he has the handles together. So he's going to start with a basic bounce. So as Drew knocks out this nice basic bounce, he's making a nice 2-inch circle with his wrist and he's keeping his elbows in nice and tight, squeezing his core and staying upright. Now, the key to the jump rope is that it's a low impact movement for everyone. You only have to jump high enough to clear that rope. A common misconception with beginners is that they jump too high when they're jumping rope and then they lose their rhythm. So we have a great method to help you learn how to master the jump rope called the one basic bounce method. So Drew's gonna start in his same starting position. He does one bounce and then he stops it after that second turn so that it stops at his feet and he resets. This is teaching him that once again, he only needs to jump this high just enough to clear the rope. Once he's comfortable there, we'll move to 2 bounces. So he goes to 2 bounces and then he resets. Once he's mastered the 2, then we'll move to the 3 and so on until eventually our members will be jumping rope just like the captain here. Take this and use it in your local 9-round to practice with your jump rope and you'll definitely be a rock star.